So a nice easy pasta bake we're going to make. Once you've done the once a week cooking, which is the pasta and the pasta sauce, it just becomes an assembly job, that's all. I've got a ball of mozzarella, 3 sun-dried tomatoes cut into strips. I always keep these in the fridge. A few olives cut in half. I've got a small handful of each of peas and sweet corn, which I've cooked those in the microwave for 1 minute, and 2 ounces of grated cheddar cheese. So all we have to do now is put that together and bake it in the oven for about half an hour. So into the bowl with the cooked pasta. This is for 2 people, so I'm using 2 portions. It's just so easy to cook a lot of pasta. Divide it into portions and freeze it, and it's ready when you need to use it. So 2 portions of pasta sauce. In that goes. Peas and sweet corn, olives, and the sun-dried tomatoes. These give a lovely burst of sharp flavour, delicious. All we do now is give it a good stir. Mix it all together. You could do it in a bowl if you like, to avoid spilling it, but it's just as easy really to do it this way. I'm just using half of the mozzarella. I just place this around, and the rest of it we can use another day. Sprinkle over the 2 ounces of grated cheddar. I can't begin to tell you how delicious this is. I make it every week. There you go. All ready to go in the oven at 200 centigrade for about half an hour. How quick and simple is that? So there we go, folks. Quick and easy pasta bake, vegetarian, plenty for 2 good generous portions. So I'm just going to serve this up now with a little bit of side salad, and I'll have to tuck in and enjoy it. See you later. Bye.